Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's have a close look at the Nike Dunk Crazy Camo. Here we go again. Another Camo Dunks. Different colorway though. I wasn't aware of this one when I got my multi-camos, but then I saw this online and I figured might as well complete the set. First, I thought this was a better colorway than the multi-camo dunks. Having both of them in hand and on feet, I kinda like the multi-camo one better. Don't get me wrong, I still like this one a lot, but I think the multi-camos edges this one a little bit. Style-wise, I thought this was just a darker version of the multi-camo, but after a closer inspection, I realized that most of the camo pattern here are on the toe box and side panel, and the leather wrapping was just in black, which is the exact opposite of where the patterns are on the multi-camo. Still, being mostly dark colors, it's a much easier wear. I think this looks much more low-key on feet. The main difference, I guess, is that it lacks the vibrant color splashes that the other pair of dunks have. Overall, I would still recommend this. If I had to choose only one, I'd probably go for the multi-camo over this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.